Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. So that is what about this. So B cross C is the correct answer. Next. What Mahalakshmi? Venam Diya. What is that? So B cross C. So A is parallel to B cross C. That is what you have to remember it. So next one. So this is a last concept in our today's class. That is what the one another method of addition. So that is only addition of vectors. That is what triangle law of vector addition, or we can say triangle law of vectors. So keep heading, everybody. Triangle law of vector addition. So let's start. It's a very simple concept. So I'll finish it hardly 20 minutes or 15 minutes. We'll finish it. So first write two vectors add by using this triangular method. So it is very simple only. So first write the definition and then we'll proceed it with the explanation. So nothing is there, right? If two vectors are represented, if two vectors are represented by two sides of a triangle, understand everybody? Clear for those? Two sides of a triangle taken in same order, then the resultant, all of you remember, the resultant is given by third side of the triangle taken in opposite order. Understand? So that is only triangle law of vector addition. So very simple. If two vectors are represented by two sides of a triangle in the same order, then the resultant vector is given by the third side of the triangle. Taken in opposite order. That is what you have to remember. Shall we start now, everybody? All of you? Yes? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
We know that it is a cross product. So let me do. So if I do the A cross B, again we'll get vector or scalar, all of you. If I do the A cross B, again I'll get what? Vector or scalar, all of you? Yes, please. What I'll get? Vector only. Understanding? So the resultant vector, resultant also is a vector or scalar, everybody. It is a resultant
Vector.
also, it will be what? Vector only. That is what is a cross product. So let us see now. For example, I'll give the two vectors. All of you observe. Now drawing is also very important. So this is the vector A, and another vector is this is vector B. Now what they are saying, that we want to find the resultant vector. So let us see how to find it. So can you tell me resultant vector, how to find it? We just know that. So make the two vectors are representing the two sides of a triangle, but in same order or different or opposite order? Same order or opposite order? The same order. Means in the sense of, no, first two vectors are in same order, Laksha. Resultant only in opposite order. Understand? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the first path. So whatever the angle, so B vector is like this. So this is the same order or opposite order? Check it. It is following the same path. Yes or no? All of you? Yes. So this is the vector A and this is the vector B. Now, resultant vector must be opposite to the first two vector order. So can you tell me opposite to means a like this will come or like this will come? Anybody? Either the arrow will come downwards or upwards. Opposite to the first two vectors. Yes, please. First, I'll say same order means, all of you observe. Now you remember. Same order means, listen, this is the vector A and this is the vector B. And if I make like this, see that is vector C. Understand, Pradosh, Rudreswa? Because head to tile, next one, head to tile. So that it is following the same order, opposite order. Everybody. Same order.
Same order.
Now, vector A and B must be in same order and resultant vector must be in opposite order. Means in the sense of it has to come how? Upward direction or downward direction? Everybody? Yes, please. It has to come upward direction.
Upward.
So that is the resultant force. Understand? Clear or not, everybody? Yes,
Yes,
please.
sir.
That is what. Next to see. Second vector. So second one. This is the vector A. All of you observe. And this is the vector B. Now find the resultant vector. Everybody. So let us see how to draw. So this is the vector A. I am drawing. Mani and Samya understanding. And head. Head is followed by what? Tail of a vector B. That is what like this.
Sir.
This is the vector B. Now this is the tail. So head, tail. Now tell me resultant vector will come. Downward arrow or upward arrow? Everybody. Resultant vector will come. Downward arrow or upward arrow?
Upward arrow.
Understand? Please respond.
Yes,
This is resultant vector. Any doubt? Mr. Monish, Mr. Murali? Clear, Murali? Nothing responding. That is what. Clear,
Yes, sir.
understood? So that is what you have to remember. So
Yes,
now,
sir.
for example, I will form a triangle. So this is the, if I draw a triangle like this, then this is the same order or opposite order? Everybody?
Same.
Order. Understand,
Same
Amma?
order.
Same order. So resultant vector must be what? Opposite order or same order? Opposite order. Understand? So for example, this is the one vector x and this is the another vector y. Then can you tell me what is the resultant vector? So I can form like a triangle. So vector x and this is the vector y. Then what is the resultant vector? Upward arrow or downward arrow? Everybody. All of you?
Upward.
Upward arrow.
Upward.
That is what is the triangle law. Understood, Laksha? Mani and Samya? That is what you have to remember. Okay, guys? Clear? That is what you can make it. Next, you can see that, for example. All of you remember, always we have to take, we know that, like for example, one vector is this one, okay? And another vector is this one. So let me take now, if you notice it, so the interior angle is something, but always we have to take outside angle or inside angle. We have been solved so many things, parallelogram. Outside angle or inside angle. We have to take always theta means what? All of you, x-axis outside angle. So this is the head to tail. Always we have to take what side angle? Outside or inside? All of you, we have to take outside angle. So then the resultant vector in x direction, for example. So x direction, what is that symbol will represent? Suppose let me consider this is. So x direction, what is the symbol? Yes. X direction, what is the symbol? X cos theta and y cos theta. Remember?
Alpha.
Alpha. And resultant vector. Now opposite means arrow will come upward direction or downward direction?
Upward.
Upward direction. Understand? So that is what you have to remember. So I want to find now resultant direction. So resultant direction, I am representing with what, guys? I am representing with what? Alpha. Understand?
Alpha.
So now we all knows the tan alpha formula. Beginning I have taught you. Tan alpha is equals to what is the formula? Everybody.
B sin
Sin
theta
divided by A
B sin
plus
theta by B plus. B cos.
B cos theta. Okay, so that is what resultant vector. Then what is the resultant vector formula, brothers? R square is equals to theta is coming here. Then here cos theta, sin theta. Yes, please. Cos theta. Okay, so A square plus B square plus what will come? 2A. Everybody. 2A cos. Understanding? So cos theta we have to take smaller theta, smaller angle or bigger angle. Everybody. Yes, please. Thank you. Yes,
Smaller
you
angle.
have to take smaller angle. So that is what you have to remember. Yes, brother. Yes, Rudresha.
Sir, 2AB cos theta.
2AB cos theta. Okay, very good. So 2AB cos theta. Okay. So always we have to take it. For example, tail to tail, we can take it. So tail to tail means we have taken theta is equals to something will be considered. So let me consider, for example, I will consider 60 degrees. Same way, if it is head to head also, be very careful. We have to take inside or outside. Tail to tail, we have to take what, Rudreswa? We have to take inside. Understanding? Or head to head also, for example, theta is equals to 30 degrees. All of you remember? If it is head to head or tail to tail, we have to take inside angle or outside angle. All of you. We have to take inside. Understand, Pradosh? Now, if it is opposite, head to tail means we have to take what? Everybody. We have to take
Outside.
the outside. Okay, so that is very, very important. Understood or not? All of you? Clear?
Understood.
Yes, sir.
So for example, I'll give you this angle is suppose for example 110. Then what is this angle? All of you. This angle will become what? Yes, please.
70.
70. Yeah. Okay, 70. Okay, that is what. So that is how we have to find it angle. Okay. So just for calculation. All of you remember always head to tail. Always you have to take outside angle and or head to head or tail to tail. We have to take what? Inside angle. Okay.
Inside.
Remember that. Remember that it is. Okay. So this is what you have to remember. Any doubt, guys? Please respond. Clear? Now. So let us see how to find the magnitude of resultant vector. This is not a new thing for us. It's very simple. Just we are studying now. Nothing. So you all understand already we have solved magnitude of resultant vector if you want to find it. So you can see already we derived so many times long back. So magnitude of resultant vector. So let us see. I'll take this is the vector A and this is the vector B. Okay. Vector B. Now we can see. So inside angle we don't want. So what we have to consider? We will extend it outside. And what is this angle we'll consider, guys? Everybody? Yes, please.
Theta.
Then I will draw the resultant. So let me consider, when we solved long back already. Here, this point, let me consider M, and this point is what we will consider N. And if I extend from the N point perpendicularly to the x-axis, then this point let me consider as a P, and this point is OP, that is. So now, here what is the angle, everybody? What is the angle? Remember
90.
this picture, Rudreswa, we already solved. Keep
Yes,
it in mind. Yes, Pradosh. So if this is the theta, then here is the theta means you can see here what will come, everybody. This will come because we know that resultant. This
B cos
resultant
theta.
is B. Then here what will come? B cos theta. And opposite what will come? This one. Everybody.
B
B
sin.
sin
B
theta.
sin theta. That is what
B sin theta.
OPN. We solved or not? This one. Everybody remembered this? All of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That is what. So this will
Direction.
become what? Yes, yes. This is B cos theta. And here what will become? Everybody. B
B
sin
sin theta.
B sin theta. Now, so let me consider, we all know. So this totally MP, if I take it, for example, resultant vector. What is the resultant vector here? Triangle MNP. If I take triangle MNP, so what is the resultant vector? Everybody, Pythagoras theorem. Apply that 90 degrees. So this is actually P, and this is actually M, and this is actually N. So actually here is somewhere we are having a B. So sorry, O. That is what vector B actually. So now tell me. So we have to find resultant vector means we have to apply which theorem? Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem means what will happen? Mn square. That is what resultant square is equals to. What is the formula, Ra? Everybody.
Yeah.
Pythagoras theorem, Ra. NP square plus MP square.
MP.
Yeah.
MP
So
square.
MP square means what? Everybody. MP means what? MP means what? A plus
MO.
A plus B cos theta. NP means
Yes, sir.
B sin theta. Yes or no, Pradosh? That
Yes,
is
sir.
what. So substitute it. Mn means what? We all know. R. R is equals
R,
to.
sir.
NP means what? Everybody respond. NP means
B sin.
B sin theta whole square plus MP means what? A plus
A plus B
A
cos
plus
theta.
B cos
Whole
theta whole
square.
square. Okay. So resultant vector equals to this will turns into B square sin theta. Sorry, B square sin square theta. Is it right or wrong?
Yes,
Everybody?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, plus this one, A plus B whole square. Tell me, A plus B whole square means what is the formula? A square, A square plus B square plus,
B
okay?
2A.
The same way, you tell me. Yeah. So respond this is, what will happen? A square, next, plus B
B
square
B
square
square
cos
cos
square
square.
theta.
2AB cos
2AB
B
cos
cos
theta.
Right or wrong? That is what. Now, observe very carefully here. Now, first let me write this a square starting a square plus in this both something
B
is
square.
common. What is common?
B square
Everybody,
common.
b square is common. So I will write this one sin square theta plus all of you cos square
Cos
theta.
square theta.
This value is something we all know.
1.
Equals to what?
1.
So which is equals to 2ab cos theta. So the formula is r square. I have written simply r square formula. So what is r square? R square is equals to what will come, guys? A square plus b square
B
plus
square plus B square plus
A plus
2AB
B whole
cos.
square.
2ab cos theta. So that is the formula. Now we want to find magnitude. So you can remember this term will never be negative. Understanding? never be negative. That is what you have to remember. Nothing, all the terms are always positive. So never be, nothing will be negative terms inside this. So that is what you have to remember. So I want to find it. Everything. If you take R, if you take B, if you take A, everything, all are always what? They never be negative. Means always they all are what, guys? All are positive. Now I want to find magnitude. Magnitude means how to find Ra? Everybody. Magnitude of R is equals to what will come? Everyone. A square
Root
plus
over A square
square
plus B
Plus
plus
B square plus 2AB
square.
cos
2AB
theta.
cos theta. That's all is the magnitude formula. So remember that. Clear? Ra? Any doubt? Ra? Yes?
Not
All of you?
Yes, sir.
That is what. Next, tan theta, we have written. Tan theta is equals to what? Sorry, tan alpha is equals to what is the formula we have written? B sin theta
B sin
Sin
theta
theta
divided
by
by A
A
plus
plus
A
B
B
plus
cos
cos
B
theta.
theta.
cos theta. Sir, how, sir? Let us see. By the time also I taught, again I am teaching. So direction of resultant. So if I have taken direction of resultant, a big triangle I will take it. That is what? What is the triangle I will choose? M, N and P. Okay. So we know that MP is equals to what? A plus B cos theta. Clear? Next, NP means
Yes,
what?
sir.
Everybody,
B
B
sin theta.
sin theta. Okay. And what is the x direction angle? X direction, what is the angle?
Alpha.
Alpha. Okay. That is what. So that is what triangle MNP is, right? Everybody? Triangle
Yes, sir.
MNP. Yes or no? So that is what. So
Yes,
we
sir.
all know. So alpha means tan alpha. So what is the formula for tan alpha? Trigonometry. Everybody,
Opposite
tan
by
theta formula. What is that?
Opposite by
Opposite
opposite
by
by adjacent.
opposite by
Adjacent.
base.
adjacent or base. So opposite is equals to what? This is opposite. That
B
is what.
sin
Let
theta.
me write. What is opposite? Ra? NP.
MP.
MP.
Understanding? NP divided
NP
by,
by
okay?
MP.
Yeah.
MP.
Is base. Okay, opposite divided by base it is. So that is what MP. So which is equals to what?
B
B
sin
sin
theta
theta
Is
divided by what?
sin theta by
A
A
plus B
plus B
cos.
plus B cos theta.
A plus B cos theta. So that is how to find the direction. Ellame clear? Understood? All of you? Pradosh?
Yes.
Murali, Monish, that is what it is. So tan alpha is equals to this one, and that is what it is, magnitude. So I hope you are clear. So this is what is very simple. Triangular law of method, law of addition. So how to do triangle law? This is not new to us. Already we all know, but that is only triangle law. We don't know. So always remember, given vectors must be in same order, and the resultant must be what? Opposite.
Opposite.
Okay, that's all is only the triangle of vector addition. I hope you all understand. So triangle of vector addition also, what is the formula? Resultant vector. Resultant vectors is equals to what? R square is equals to A square plus B
A
square
square plus
plus
B square plus
2AB cos
2AB
theta.
cos theta.
And magnitude R is equals to root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. And alpha direction, what is that? Tan alpha is equals to tan theta formula,
B sin
opposite
theta.
divided by base, that is what, yeah, NP divided by MP. So that is what B sin theta divided by A plus B. Yes,
Cos.
cos theta. Okay. So this is all about the triangle law. Then tomorrow's class, the last concept in this one vectors, that is what cos law and sine law. So that is what the two laws we will study. So that half of the chapter will complete. Later I will give you the one DPP 5. And then after 2-3 days only I can take the projectile motion. Of course, I also need to make it everything. Then only I can step into that. So once the projectile motion is over, this chapter is also completed. So almost we are going to complete 3 chapters. Okay. So please be thorough and very sincere so that we can easily complete it and we can make ourselves very strong in the concepts. Okay. Now teaching is only this much, but practice only makes you more efficient. I hope you are experiencing when you are solving the questions. Are you all solving the questions or not? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Try to solve. If you are solving multiple questions, not by seeing the answers, think logic behind it, find it, and try to find the answer with a concept. So let us take it more time now. Doesn't matter. But future you must be able to solve fastly. That is what is needed. Okay. So with this I'll stop. Then tomorrow we'll study cos law and sine law. So we'll complete it and we'll meet it. Okay. Thank you everybody. We'll practice tomorrow. Everybody please wake up morning early and spend time for practice. Okay. Thank you everybody. Good night.